Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, the break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely when a certain condition is met. However, if you want to break out of an outer loop when you're nested within multiple loops, you can use a labeled loop in combination with break. Here's a tutorial on how to achieve this. Consider a scenario where you have nested loops, and you need to break out of the outer loop based on a condition within the inner loop. Python doesn't have a direct way to break out of the outer loop from within the inner loop, but you can achieve this using a labeled loop and break. Let's say we have a nested loop structure where we want to break out of the outer loop when a specific condition is met in the inner loop. In this example, the break statement only breaks out of the inner loop when I = 2 and j = 1. However, if we want to break out of the outer loop when this condition is met, we'll use a labeled loop. By adding a labeled loop, else, continue, break, and using the break statement with the label break_outer_loop, we ensure that when the condition is met, I = 2 and j = 1, the outer loop is broken entirely. This technique of labeled loops combined with break statements provides a way to break out of outer loops in Python when nested within multiple loops. ChatGPT